Hi guys, Casey.Sanguins here at Guaranty RV in Junction City, Oregon. Today is a beautiful sunny day. I'm going to show you this 2018 Heartland North Trail 22 FBS. This is the Caliber edition. Caliber edition. So you get the nice power tongue jack standard on it. You get the nice full front fiberglass front cap. It does wrap around the edges very nicely, so all of your wind shear, all of your water that's coming off the road is going to wrap nice around the side of the trailer. You've got very nice, this is hard to show you on video, but this is a very heavy, very well insulated door with the magnetic latches and this nice big opening for your pass-through storage. Plenty of room to fit some lawn chairs in there, whatever else. Also, while you're looking up there, this top deck of this is one of the few trailers that does this. This is the same material as the sidewall, so your bed is right above this, so any cold air that may get in through here has to go through a full insulated sidewall to get to your bed. Power stabilizer jacks with the buttons, the controls inside the compartment, so they're nice out of the weather, so the buttons are going to remain intact. Let's rock around the other side. Your pass-through storage comes through on this side, of course. Coming back here, get the steps out of the way. Coming back here, you've got your outside shower, your hot water heater on this side of the trailer, which is nice. So when you're camping, it's not going to be blowing hot air and making all noise on the side that you're enjoying the outdoors on. But outdoor shower, hose the kids off, wash the dog off, your power there, city water connection. Back here on the back of the trailer right here, you've got your black tank flush. This is almost a must-have anymore. Black tank flush, keep the tanks clean, makes it very easy when you're dumping. This bumper does pull out and you end up with a nice little extension tray here to set a couple coolers, maybe a generator if you choose. It's also got a post so that you could tie some bikes down to it. Very, very versatile. This side of the trailer, the camp side, you've of course got the full length power awning, push of a button, it comes out. Moving inside, the door has the nice friction hinges on it, so you don't have the little plastic deal holding the door open that's inevitably going to break. Plus you've got the nice sure step, solid steps. Let's come on inside. And inside, this trailer opens up very, very nicely. You've got a nice semi-private front bedroom. There is storage underneath the bed and of course hanging wardrobes on either side with power on both sides and plenty of room if you have a CPAP or anything like that to set on next to the bed on you. You've got a nice curtain that can slide back and forth for a little bit of added privacy. Up here, you get this nice jackknife sofa. It does fold flat for some extra sleeping, plus a little bit of storage underneath. It's not the most easy storage to get to, but for extra sleeping bags or linens or anything of that sort, it's a great place to store it. You've got more storage cabinetry above here with the nice glass inserts, a nice big booth dinette. Plenty of room to fit the whole family in there. This folds down into a bed as well, and the nice thing about being so long is that even an adult can sleep there, a taller person can sleep there. Nice storage all the way around the dinette. You've got the big fridge and freezer, plenty of room to stack all your goodies in there. And directly opposite the fridge, you've got a nice pantry space. Nice little drawer here as well. Kitchen area, look at all this counter space, tons of counter space. This is solid stone, solid surface countertops, nice solid sink covers. So if you're setting stuff on those are not going to fail. There's a stainless steel sink underneath and the nice high-rise faucet. Plenty of storage up above. Keep all your pots and pans, plates, bowls, whatnot in there. A couple nice drawers down the side. A couple more over here. Very, very large, the metal roller bearing drawer slides, plywood drawer constructions. You're not going to find any AB or any OSB in this trailer. It's all good plywood. You've got a nice central vacuum in this trailer, so very easy to keep clean. Let's take a look in the bathroom real quick. Back here in the bathroom, nice corner shower, plenty of room to jump in there. Nice couple shelves over on this side. Nice porcelain toilet, very nice. A lot better than sitting on a plastic throne. Plenty nice deep storage over here. plus all of this storage. Ton of storage in this trailer. More drawers down on the bottom. Nice little sink to get your teeth brushed. Again, my name's Casey.Sanguins at Guaranty RV. This is the Heartland North Trail 22 FBS. If you have any questions about this trailer or anything else we have in inventory, give me a call. I look forward to hearing from you. My phone number is 541-953-9171. Let's talk soon.